Hey, it's Christina from Proven Winners Colorchoice Shrubs. I'm out in the trial and display gardens today and so excited to show you what's going on. Let's go take a look. Isn't it interesting what kinds of scenes will totally take your breath away? I love the way this white album winter creeper totally sets the scene. It's got that misty yellow that you catch here in the rhododendron buds, and obviously here with this magnificent yellow magnolia show. The details are amazing in this scene. It's not every day that you get to walk on a path of flower petals. Now, if you're a fragrant plant lover, you're going to want to know about fragrant viburnum. This is a Carlesii, and it's called Spice Girl, and it smells amazing right now. It also looks absolutely precious. Some beautiful new mulch laid on this big bed of hydrangea macrophylla trials. The sun came out just in time for us to check out this Showtime crabapple. Did you know that we're going to start offering trees? And this beauty is one of them. Look at how gorgeous this show is already. And these are just the flower buds. They haven't even opened yet. More work being done in the new section of the trial garden. This trio of black hat rhododendrons is stunning. Oh, and look, a little bee. As it turns out, I was wrong. More flower petal path. Meet the lilac that proves that you have space for a lilac. This is Baby Kim. These are newly planted, so obviously still very small, but they only get 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, so they'll fit pretty much anywhere in your garden. Some quince that we are trialing, all blended together in a lovely show. A pretty little yellow magnolia named Hot Flash. A lemony lace elderberry in its full lemony gorgeous glory. Look at these fluffy flowers and the foliage that has mellowed out into that beautiful sunny color. Thanks so much for coming along. If you were inspired by anything that we saw today, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's going on in your own garden. And if you have any questions, definitely comment or send us a message, and I'll see you again next week.